And it is not an easy task, of course, but what we need to understand it is that we need to, first of all, nurture our souls. We need to take care of ourselves, and we have a lot of techniques. If you do Kundalini yoga, if you are walking the path of Sikh Dharma, you are continuously awaken that consciousness of your own soul and your presence. I love this concept. If your presence doesn't work, nothing will. And it is so truth, because if you are not in connection and in alignment with all your being, all the bodies and your aura and your arc line, if you are not doing a conscious work in all that layers of yourself, your presence will not work at all. You are going to say something to the children, but that the word will not impact them because your presence will not. So that's the first step. You need to have a very committed and disciplined habit to work in your own self. And we have a lot of techniques that can do that. We need to take care of our food, how I am nurturing myself, my bodily self. How do I relate to my emotions? If you have if you are in our generation, we do not have the blessing of understanding and learn how to deal with our emotions when we were kids. So you need to be aware of that, and you need to be aware of how you are reacting, what emotions are like the most common in you. You are a person that it is in the realm of a sadness or anger. So you need to understand that realm of yourself, and you need to take care of this connection with your soul.